So I'm in the beautiful Santa Monica Mountains in California. I'm a Texas boy, but California for a few days has definitely won my heart. Beautiful scenery, beautiful mountains, some very steep grades though. And I was thinking about, for you business owners or marketing directors, as you select an agency or look for an individual to run your marketing campaigns, they can oftentimes be, especially when you're just starting out or you don't have things dialed in, it can be very much like this steep grade. And I'm kind of being vulnerable here this morning as you hear me panting and trying to catch my breath. I was just thinking about our campaigns, and oftentimes they're like this walk that I'm on. They can take longer than you'd like, and they can be a lot more challenging. They can have a lot more resistance when you have a lot of competitors that for years have been working on their Google positions or on their client acquisition cost. You've got a ways to go to catch up. And so as you consider a partner, consider us, because I will guarantee you, myself as well as all our project managers, that we come alongside you on this journey, and we help you understand what it is we're doing every month. We explain to you the challenges that we're having, or the success and the progress that we're making. Nothing's a mystery, but again, we don't want partners that feel like they can get to the top immediately. And sometimes we do have some quick wins. Sometimes those wins come in 30, 60, 90 days. But oftentimes it takes a little bit longer to dial that in. So I just want to encourage you as business owners, as marketing directors, to think about somebody and pick somebody that's willing to month after month explain things face to face about your campaigns, about what's being done, about the progress being made, and who's willing to pay the price to help you get to the top, and to explain what's realistic about expectations in terms of these KPIs. So how do you know that we're willing to take this journey with you? The only thing I can say is that take a look at our client reviews on our Google Business Profile. Let me give you some references. Get on a call with me if you haven't already. Let me explain some things to you about expectations. I'm not going to force anything upon you. In fact, I love helping people on those calls. So again, if you haven't booked a call, book a call with us. If you've already done that, let us know if you have any questions or thoughts.